Irresistible apple and berry crumble. You won't believe this was made in the air fryer. To start off with, we're going to make our crumble. So in a bowl, add some flour, sugar, butter, a pinch of salt, and then rub the butter into the dry ingredients until it becomes a breadcrumb consistency. The secret of the perfect crumble is to first cook it for a little while before you put it on top of the fruit. So we're going to place our crumble mix into a small tray, make sure it's in a nice and even layer, then place it in the air fryer basket and bake in the air fryer at 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Once that's had 10 minutes in the air fryer, you want to take it out, and to really elevate this crumble, we're going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of flaked almonds and give it a good mix. Then leave this on the side for later on. Now let's focus on the fruit. So in a bowl, add your blueberries and raspberries, and add your peeled and chopped apple. To the fruit, add some soft brown sugar and some ground cinnamon. Mix this really well until the fruit is coated with that sugary cinnamon mix. Evenly split your fruit mixture between 2 ramekins. Once the ramekins are ready, place them in the air fryer basket and bake in the air fryer at 150 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. We're cooking the fruit first to help that fruit get nice and soft and keep our crumble crisp. After 10 minutes, top the fruit with the crumble that we partly cooked earlier. Then place it back in the air fryer and bake in the air fryer at 160 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes until the top is nice and golden brown. That lovely soft cinnamon fruit with the golden crispy crumble. Utter perfection, and all in our air fryer. For more air fryer recipes like this, don't forget to check out our other videos.